Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2015 GMC Sierra. This Sierra is featured in a black paint and is the Denali trim. It includes features such as our alloy wheels, a backup camera, a sunroof, our chrome assist steps, heated and vented front seats, a heated steering wheel, lane keep assist, forward collision warning, as well as our full 360 sensors, and a DVD player for the rear of the vehicle. Now into the front of the vehicle, we can see we have all of our driver's seat memory, the chrome door handle. Below it on the door panel itself, we have our outside folding power mirror controls, our door locks, as well as our powered windows, and our window locks. In the bottom of the door, we have a little bit of extra storage. Moving up to the left of the steering wheel, we have our trailer brake controller, all of our drive mode, as well as our lighting controls. In the center, we have our display cluster. You can see that we have an information system in the middle. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have all of our cruise settings, our forward collision warning, as well as our heated steering wheel buttons. On the right-hand side, we have our hands-free, as well as the buttons to adjust our central dash. Moving to the middle, we can see that we have navigation. We also have our audio with Bluetooth, as well as our backup camera. It is a touchscreen, but we do have some additional controls across the bottom. And at the very bottom, we have our CD player. Below that, our dual zone front climate control with our front and rear defroster. On the left-hand side, we have our heated and vented driver seat controls. And the right-hand side, the same for the passenger. Below it, we have some additional buttons. We have our power pedals, traction control, in-bed lighting, sensors, lane keep assist, as well as our downhill park assist. Below it, we have some flip-open power outlets, so we have 3 USBs, 2 12-volt plugs, as well as a 115-volt plug. And below all that is some additional storage. Then we have our 2 cup holders, our center console, with we can see storage on top. Inside our center console, we have some deep storage. On the driver's side, a 12-volt plug. Passenger side has our SD slot, as well as 2 USBs and an auxiliary cable. Moving to our seats, we can see they have the Denali badging, as well as are finished in a black leather and are heated and vented. On the bottom of the rear view mirror, we have all of our OnStar settings. Above our rear view mirror, we have our garage door opener, our lighting controls for the front lights, the controls for our sliding tilt sunroof, the controls for our third window, all of our lighting controls for the whole vehicle, as well as our sunglass holder. And then lastly, we have our sunroof. Now walking down the side of the Sierra, we can see our alloy wheels with our armed center cap. Moving up, we can see that we have our chrome finish in both our side mirrors, as well as our door handles, and our chrome assist step with black padding. In the back of the vehicle, we can see that we have our corner steps, as well as our trailer hook in the bottom. We can see we have a chrome finish on all of our badging, as well as on our tailgate lift. Bottom of our tailgate, we can see that we have our backup camera. Opening into our tailgate, we can see that we have plenty of storage and the Denali logo at the front. We have tie downs at both the front and the back of the bed, as well as in-bed lighting and a box liner. Now moving into the rear of the vehicle, we can see that we have our chrome door handle, powered window control, as well as additional storage. Moving in, we can see in the seats in front of us that we have our speakers for our audio system, as well as our storage compartment. Moving to the middle, we have all of our connectors for our DVD player in the rear of the vehicle, as well as some storage and a 12-volt plug. The passenger side, we can see that we have another storage holder. Moving up to the ceiling, we have a push button to access our DVD player, and that is next to our lighting controls. The seats in the back featured in the same black leather that the front was. In the center seats, we can see we have 2 cup holders, and just behind the center seat, we have our sliding third window, and we have 60/40 folding seats if we need additional storage room. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walkaround of the 2015 GMC Sierra. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.